What's up, everyone? Back again, part 2. So anyways, I got it working. At the same time, I put the other battery from the other ATV and I unplugged that. Maybe I should have done it one at a time, but I have a feeling it's this right here, or unless when I unplugged the battery, it restarted or something like that. But now I put the original battery back in it and it still works. So the battery was fine. I tested the batteries. Everything was fine. So I have a feeling maybe it was this thing. Just probably need to be cleaned up. But it looked pretty clean in there. I just unplugged it, blew in it a little bit, plugged it right back in. And it fired right up. So now when I turn it on, you can hear it. Guessing that's the pump. We'll start right up. There you go. So it starts just fine. Everything is working right now. Turned it off. I got the winch working too. So what I did, basically I just tapped the winch over here. Tapped it a couple times around it and it started working. Last year, it did the same thing, basically. It was a little bit different this time, I think. But I have a feeling it's the winch is going. But that's it. Right now, everything is working, which is good. And that's it. Thanks, everyone, for watching. Have a good one. Take care.